Welcome to our channel. Today we how to save engagement with ActiveCampaign detailed guide step by step clearly. To save engagement with ActiveCampaign, begin by logging into your ActiveCampaign account. Navigate to the Automations section in the main menu. Click on Create an Automation to start a new workflow. Choose the option that best aligns with your engagement goals. For example, select Start from Scratch for a custom automation. Once you're in the automation builder, add a trigger that suits your needs. Consider using the Tag is Added trigger to engage with users based on specific actions. Next, define conditions that help you segment your audience. Use the if/else condition to tailor follow-up actions based on user behavior. This approach ensures targeted messaging to different audience segments. Now, create engaging content to send through emails within the automation. Utilize the email editor to customize your message for clarity and appeal. Make sure to include a compelling subject line for better open rates. Incorporate personalized elements, such as the recipient's name, to foster connection. After setting up the emails, schedule them appropriately. Determine the timing based on your audience's previous interactions. Next, review your workflow for any adjustments or improvements. Test the automation with a small segment of your list initially. Monitor engagement metrics closely during this trial run. Analyze opens, clicks, and overall engagement to identify patterns. Based on the feedback, make necessary adjustments to your emails and timing. Consider adding follow-up sequences for those who didn't engage initially. Leverage automated reminders and re-engagement campaigns to spark interest. Consistency is key, so maintain a regular schedule of communications. Lastly, continually evaluate your engagement metrics to refine your approach. By implementing these steps, you'll enhance engagement with your audience on ActiveCampaign. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.